Hello, all. Welcome again. This is Anagha, a digital marketing consultant. I talk about the NGOs and their digital marketing presence. I specifically talk about the need an NGO has to have its online presence very, very strongly. So, I have been talking about the reasons why an NGO should have its stronger online presence. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the fourth reason, which is donor engagement and fundraising. Donor engagement and fundraising is one of the biggest requirement for any sort of NGO, right? So how your strong digital marketing presence would help you invite lot much of donations and help you grow your funds and etc things is what I'm going to discuss about in this video. Okay, tell me one thing, where do you think most donors prefer contributing? Yeah, I mean, on online platforms or offline platforms? I mean, this is your own experience. I must ask you, right? So I think more than 50% of donations have started happening online these days. I mean, the donors prefer donating through the online mediums, right? I mean, if you are agreeing with me, please put your comment in the comment section. So, if the person on the other end has already started using the digital platforms, yeah. So, why to refrain ourselves by putting us by not putting ourselves and our presence on the digital platforms? Yeah, this is a major question. Of course, because donors have started asking you for online modes of payments, so you might have started giving them those that flexibility by giving them the like the options for online transfer, or maybe some payment gateways and payment applications and all of it. But is that enough? Right, that's the smallest part of being present on digital platforms, yeah. But when it comes to your presence, you definitely need to have utilized different platforms, right, from website to social media platforms and everything, so that whenever donor comes there on any sort of platform, and if he comes with an intention to make some donation for a specific cause. For example, if there is a person who wants to donate for kids books, yeah, and if he googles it, like NGOs working for underprivileged kids education, or maybe kids education or something like that, and there comes a list of websites of the NGOs who are working for those cause. But if you are one of them, if your website doesn't comes into the list of that search, that means for that donor you don't exist at all, right? And you are missing out on that opportunity. And this is, I have just shared the example of Google. There are different platforms wherein people can go and search. There are a number of platforms, right, from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. People keep on searching. People use those search engines to find out your kind of services when they want to donate, right? So if they are searching, there are so many number of people who are really want to create a difference just by paying the money of what they have out of what they have earned. So at that places they are searching, and there are, I mean, even like it's through my own analysis that I have kept on searching for different different NGOs who have been creating causes, but have found out that there are just a few NGOs that come up in the search list. But in fact, there are 100 times more number of NGOs are available on the across India. Yeah, so that's where I felt a very, very major gap. There are people who want to work as volunteers for NGOs. There are people who want to donate for different causes, but they are having, when they go online and try to find out any specific NGO, they are ending up finding out just a few prominent websites prominent NGOs or websites of NGOs. That's why they end up donating to the same NGOs over and over again, even though they want to donate to different NGOs, but just because they are not able to find them online, they are not able to donate to different NGOs. Yeah, so please come up online, all the NGOs, as I keep on asking you people. Please go and start having your presence right from the minimum. That's okay. Just imagine that someone visits your social media page, feels inspired, and wants to donate, but then there's no link, there's no there are no clear instructions, and he is not able to find out much of the trustworthy payment links and payment gateways over there on your social media, or maybe your YouTube channel, or elsewhere. So that's where they leave. Okay, I mean, and that's where the opportunity is lost. So that's why it's important to have your presence, and wherever you are having your presence, you should be putting the link for donations, and or whichever fundraising campaigns you are running, you should be also talking and discussing about them on your social media platforms. You should be sharing about all those fundraising campaigns onto your social media platforms also, wherein also you can put the donation buttons, and that's how you can expect or invite the donations. And also there are many fundraising platforms which are available, like Milab, Keto, GoFundMe. People go and really spend a lot of their time on these platforms, wherein they would want to search for a specific cause that would touch that is closer to their heart, so that they can make the payments to those sort of causes, right? So your presence on such fundraising platforms would also is also important, and that is also one of the parts of creating your digital marketing presence on digital media platforms. Yeah, so. And also the most important thing is having the thank you pages. So whenever a person does any sort of donation, you I know, all of you are really grateful about those donations, and you really want to put in some gestures of thanking them. So, and I mean, you want to take a lot of effort, but just a simple thank you, creation of a thank you page, and once they are doing the donation, if you're a simple note, if a simple thank you note goes from your end to them, it really creates a lot of difference for anyone, right? So that's where, I mean, all these tactics and all these actions are really very much important for an NGO, so that they would keep the hold of, they would not so that they would be able to create that bond with their donor, so that that donor, wherever they want to donate, they would come back to you and share the part of their earning. You wouldn't be losing on even not the single first opportunity, or not the recurring opportunities of receiving the donations from them. Yeah, thank you so much. We'll talk about the next reason in the next video. Bye.